XTI Aerospace unveiled their subscale model of the Trifan 600 aircraft at the Avalon Air Show in Australia. The new model features the latest aerodynamic configuration with 3 operational fans, rotating ducts, and aft fan closing mechanisms. XTI will begin flight testing its subscale model, codenamed Sparrow, later this month to validate the aircraft's performance and safety standards. This builds on the completion of the Global Finite Element Model, GFM, for the Trifan 600 configuration, which marked a key first-quarter milestone. The GFM enhances the company's ability to perform structural integrity and load distribution analysis on the aircraft. Its completion allows the team to further analyze the design before finalizing the detailed finite element model. This achievement is part of 6 product and engineering milestones completed in Q1 2025, leading up to the launch of the Sparrow subscale working model in early Q2. Other noteworthy product and engineering milestones in Q1 included analyzing airflows during vertical takeoff and landing, applying for type certification from the FAA, optimizing engine air intakes and exhaust design, fuel system optimization, and developing a flight deck mock-up for ergonomics evaluation. XTI Aerospace also recently launched a prototyping and innovation lab within the Hive in Grand Forks, North Dakota. The lab aims to accelerate the development of XTI's flagship aircraft, the Trifan 600, beginning with the subscale model Sparrow and progressing towards the construction of a more advanced version named Kestrel. Led by Professor Robert Lunny, an expert in VTOL systems, the team will work on enhancing key aspects such as flight control systems and aerodynamics. Turning attention to XTI in the stock market, it has faced challenges since its NASDAQ listing in March 2024. The company faced post-merger obligations and stock-based financing commitments that limited access to capital. To address outstanding obligations, XTI raised an additional $4 million in a public offering. The company set out to retire all remaining equity-based financing instruments and common stock obligations, while maintaining adequate cash on hand for sustaining operations well into Q4 2025. They continue to believe their shares are undervalued and plan a non-deal roadshow targeting institutional investor meetings. For more on XTI Aerospace and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.